Hello guys, I'm Fawzi from Jordan. I'm studying mechanical engineering at Hashemite University. About India is very good. The food is very strange for me. It's very hot, but it's good. I love the food here. It's a new culture for me. IAESTE team is one of the best team in the world. Yes, I'm honest with you. I deal with the IAESTE teams in Jordan. I deal with the IAESTE team in the other worlds. Here's best. Give all things you needed. Help you about all things. It's very good. I have now other friends from India, friends from other countries. New entrants here from coming from other countries, other world, from Serbia, Austria, from Germany, and my friends from Jordan and Tunisia. It's a new friend now for me. Me and other entrants all the weekends, every weekends we go to the other cities. Like Uti, we are here in Caronia. We go to Uti, to go to Chennai, go to Alabocha, we go to Kochi, something like that. It's very good for me. It's the greenery here is very beautiful. I love it. The view here, there is a high view here is amazing for me. The beach here, the sea, all thing here is good for me. The department give me all what I needed, the material, all tools to solve the problem. Any problem happened to me. My doctors helped me a lot of my work. It's a good monitor for me. I will thanks about that, Dr. Sabitha Janets. It's perfect about that. Now after we finish that, we're gonna start to write the research paper. I should back to Jordan the next week. We're gonna make a collaboration with my doctors in my university, and doctors here, Dr. Sabitha Janets, to check how the research paper or how the project will do. I had a good memories now. I have new friends for me. I will back again to India in the future if I have a scholarship here, master degrees, PhD. I will come again to Caronia. Good university, it's good university, yes, and good teams here.